In the early banking era, security relied on armed guards patrolling bank corridors regularly, heavy iron doors and locked vaults protected. Yet thieves always found clever new methods. It became a cat-and-mouse game. Robbers studied bank routines meticulously every day. Inside information often proved most dangerous factor. Security was not just strength but strategy. Even a single distraction could invite disaster. Ever wonder why some banks failed easily? By 1800s, alarm systems slowly became available. Mechanical bells alerted staff during suspicious activity. Yet response depended entirely on human reaction. Delays allowed criminals to escape unnoticed frequently. Fear and tension filled corridors constantly. Pattern interrupt. Imagine being a guard. One wrong step could cost life. Banks offered minimal training to new recruits. Yet public demanded high level of security. Pressure created extreme stress for everyone involved. Guards often doubled as money transporters cautiously. Heavy cash boxes moved under watchful eyes. Thieves learned patience became ultimate weapon. Stackouts and stakeaways developed slowly but surely. Every bank robbery was studied like science. By late 19th century, technology began creeping. Time locks and early safes provided partial protection. Still, human judgment remained central element. One error and disaster struck within seconds. Banks realized technology alone was not enough. Security drills became routine and increasingly complex. Employees trained in emergency response meticulously. Even small towns now demanded serious safeguards. Pattern interrupt. Would you trust a single guard to protect millions of dollars every single day? With rise of telegraph and communication systems, banks could alert nearby authorities faster than ever, yet criminals also used telegraph for planning. Information became double-edged sword in security landscape. The game between robbers and banks intensified quickly. By early 1900s, camera systems slowly introduced experimentally, but grainy footage offered limited surveillance coverage. Guards remained essential despite technology improvements gradually. Lessons learned from each robbery shaped policies immediately. Pattern interrupt. Funny how a camera couldn't eat donuts. Banking security was evolving under constant threat. Fear of violent robbery shaped employee behavior dramatically. Public perception of safety remained fragile and fleeting. Every new innovation invited both admiration and skepticism. Even small errors caused massive consequences instantly. Before CCTV, every vault relied heavily on guards. Their presence alone deterred many amateur criminals. Yet sophisticated gangs found weaknesses repeatedly and cleverly. Banks slowly realized combination of human and technology would eventually define modern security systems completely. By mid-20th century, cameras slowly became mainstream. Black and white footage captured suspicious activity continuously. Guards still monitored screens for any unusual behavior. Early CCTV systems were bulky and expensive initially. Pattern interrupt. Imagine staring at grainy footage forever. Criminals adapted quickly to new surveillance methods. Masks, disguises, even clever blind spots exploited. Technology was helpful but not completely reliable yet. Human judgment remained essential for interpreting anomalies. Banks began combining multiple security layers cautiously. Motion sensors and pressure alarms complemented visual surveillance. Sudden triggers alerted guards within critical seconds. Response protocols required speed and precise coordination. Every second delay could mean millions stolen. Pattern interrupt. One snooze could cost entire vault. Television monitors replaced periscopes in monitoring rooms. Footage could now be observed in real time continuously. Guards trained to notice smallest unusual movement. Criminals increasingly used decoys and misdirection cleverly. The battle between security and crime escalated rapidly. By 1970s, digital technology hinted at future possibilities. Banks experimented with electronic locks and coded systems. Integration with CCTV created new security protocols. Yet human error remained top cause of breaches. Pattern interrupt. Funny how humans always find loopholes. Insurance companies demanded more stringent security measures. Banks upgraded equipment to avoid catastrophic financial loss. Fear of violent theft still dominated staff mindset. Public expected safety even while technology evolved. Every failed robbery became lesson for next procedure. Modern bank security began emphasizing redundancy and backups. Multiple cameras covered overlapping angles without gaps. Guards monitored not just vaults, but entrances meticulously. Emerging tech allowed automatic alerts to authorities quickly. Pattern interrupt. Yes. Robots still can't serve coffee. Criminals shifted focus to hacking and digital theft. Physical robbery risks increased with better monitoring. Banks realized threat landscape was changing rapidly. Technology and humans must coexist strategically forever. Old methods like armed guards never became completely obsolete. Lessons from past guided modern surveillance architecture carefully. Every innovation tested against cunning criminal adaptability. Fear, excitement, tension became constant component of security. History showed simple systems fail against complex planning. Pattern interrupt. Sometimes a guard's gut still wins battles. By end of 20th century, CCTV became indispensable globally. Real-time monitoring minimized both internal and external risks. Banks integrated alarms, cameras, guards, and electronic locks. Every layer added another hurdle for would-be criminals, yet human vigilance still remained ultimate defense always. In 21st century, AI transformed bank security. Facial recognition scanned customers continuously without pause. Behavioral analytics predicted suspicious patterns instantly. Guards now supported by intelligent monitoring systems. Pattern interrupt. Robots still can't make witty jokes. Biometric authentication replaced simple key cards largely. Fingerprints, retinal scans provided near foolproof access. AI analyzed anomalies faster than human guards. False alarms reduced, but vigilance still necessary. Every breach now scrutinized with digital precision. CCTV became fully digital, high definition, 24/7. Cloud storage allowed retrieval from anywhere securely. Remote monitoring enhanced response times dramatically. Criminals faced unprecedented surveillance obstacles consistently. Yet cyber threats emerged alongside physical robbery. Banks now deploy multi-layered defense strategies, guards, cameras, sensors, AI systems integrated seamlessly. Every entry-exit monitored continuously for unusual activity. Pattern interrupt. Sometimes a mouse triggers panic alarms. Redundancy ensures no single failure compromises safety. Even with advanced technology, human judgment remains vital. Decision-making under pressure still determines success or failure. Training now focuses on tech interpretation and rapid response. Criminals adapt faster than ever, requiring continuous innovation. Security evolves constantly, never static, always challenging. Emerging tech includes predictive analytics and drones. Biometric authentication merges with AI risk assessment. Behavioral cues tracked to preempt potential criminal activity. Banks invest millions to prevent catastrophic losses. Fear of theft drives constant technological improvement. Lessons from history guide modern security design. Armed guards were first layer of protection. CCTV cameras added eyes where humans cannot see. AI now analyzes, predicts, and alerts before theft. Every advancement built upon failures of past decades. Future banks may integrate full autonomous surveillance. Robots, drones, AI will collaborate with human guards. Cybersecurity will become as critical as physical security. Yet human intuition remains unpredictable. Final defense. Pattern interrupt. Yes, no AI yet drinks coffee. The journey from guards to CCTV to AI shows evolution shaped by greed, fear, and innovation. Every robbery taught lessons shaping modern protocols. Understanding this history strengthens awareness for investors. Subscribe now to explore more stories like this. Like, comment, and share to protect friends. Stay informed, learn from financial and security history. Knowledge is power, use it wisely and effectively. Follow channel for more authoritative insights worldwide.